I'm pretty sure you're going to get a kick out of this video. Now, the title, of course, is essentially what are the keywords that you can say in an email that's going to catch the attention of the NSA, National Security Agency in the United States, and make them think you are a person of interest. Now, this is an old article from the Business Insider, but I was looking around for this information today, and I will explain this article much better than they did. This is sensationalism in their particular case, because it's always going to be sensationalism. Sensationalism sells articles, right? Now, these are things, well, we found this on Reddit. Yeah, that doesn't give it any credibility. However, it is pretty much accurate. Here are some of the things that you can have. Now, they read your metadata first, and if your metadata is interesting, that's what causes them to go to the body of the article or the email to look more. That's why you want that body encrypted, right? You can encrypt the subject line as well, but encrypting the subject line is a little bit problematic because the person at the other end may not bother to open it because they don't know what the subject is. Right? Now, these are some words that will catch their interest, and it will never just be one of these words. Right? It will be how many exist in your metadata or in your search and things like that that will cause the interest. Now, this particular article is regarding email. That ability has become much broader over the recent years. The word dictionary is of interest. Sweeping, ionosphere, military intelligence, that's no surprise. Steve Case, I don't have a clue who that is. Scully from X-Files fame. Interesting. Now here is a massive list of the other words that will definitely get you noticed by them. Information security, information warfare, information terrorism, defensive information. Anything that contains the word terrorism is going to get flagged, no matter how you cut it. InfoSec will get you flagged. National Information Infrastructure would get you flagged. Offensive information, Reno, not sure why that one's there. CompSec, it's fairly obvious, firewalls, secure internet connections, DEFCON 5 will get you some notice as well, plus all of these. Now, some of them that are more interesting than others, the word PGP, Perl RSA, this is an encryption key type. Right? I'm just looking for things that are of interest here as you guys look through it. Meta hackers, obviously. You've used the word hackers. I got to look and see who Steve Case is. I'm really not sure. Military intelligence, aside from the fact that's kind of an oxymoron, that will definitely get you some interest. Archives, spook words, a whole lot of abbreviations for different organizations will get you noticed as well. Now, as you're looking through this particular list, do you see words that you might have used? All right, mole. I sent an email once that had the word mole in it. What was I talking about? I found a mole in the basement. I'd never seen one before. Right? Did that have to do anything to do with making me a person of interest? And moles are kind of neat because they don't have normal eyes like you and I do, right? Anonymous will get you a lot of interest. Now, how many people, are going to get themselves noticed because of this? And this is all blackmailable information here when you're talking about sex or Playboy or things like that. But this is a very extensive list, and this is an old list. It's going to have changed a lot since then. Right? But as we go down, so do you think that maybe you could accidentally do something that just might make you a person of interest? Do you think it's worth becoming a person of interest? I don't think so. Okay? It is very this has always been a trigger word here. Assassinate. Yeah. Virus. Anarchy. All sorts of words. By themselves they have no meaning, but if you, as an example, credit card fraud, assassinate, virus, anarchy, mail bomb. Put those in an email. And watch how your life changes very, very quickly. Right? And I will tell you straight out right now, if you have a list of words that you can't use like this is a lot of words. You don't live in a free society. Just the facts. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. And check out our Patreon. The more, when you guys come and give us a hand, help us out, we can do a whole lot more for you, including some great tutorials I would love to cover on making your life secure and taking back your privacy. Have a great day. Ciao.